Hello friends, welcome to the class of science. Today we are going to discuss our new chapter of class 6, that is sorting materials into groups. In this chapter we are going to discuss about the objects and the materials. How an object is different from the materials. What are makes objects and what are make materials. If we want to make a food, so to make a food we need ingredients, many ingredients like ingredient 1, ingredient 2 and so many. And an object is made up of material 1 type or second type or third type material. So we can say that an object is a thing that is made of one or more material. Different objects around us. There are many different objects which are around us like table, chair, sofa, fridge, TV, pencil, eraser, duster, computer, laptops, mobile, door, utensils, fan, AC, car, scooter, bicycle, clothes and many more. There are many more objects around us. So, by this example, we can say that an object can be made up of only one material or an object could be made up of many materials. For example, to make a wooden chair, we need wood, that is one material, or to make a pen, we need many more materials like spring, end cap, ball, socket, reservoir, ink, barrel and many more. So, an object is a thing that is made of one or more material, and the material is what an object is made up of. For example, if pencil is an object, then wood, metal, graphite, rubbers are the material which are used to make a pencil. Objects are made up of large variety of material. For example, if we want to make a table or chair, we need plastic, wood, iron. If we want to make a toy, we need wood, plastic, paper. If we want to make a shoe, then we need leather. Clothes, then we need cotton clothes, silk, polyester, nylon. Timber, we need plastics and glass and so on. So, a given material could be used to make a large number of objects. A single material can help to make many more objects. Like if we have wood as a material, then we make chair, table, bed, door, boat, etc. and many more objects. If we are having paper, then we make books, calendar, newspaper, magazine, paperback, etc. So, by a given material, we can make many more objects. So, now in my mind, a question arises. Why a window is made of glass? And why a cup of plastic or clay, not of clothes? Why a chair or table is made up of wood or plastic, not with paper? Based on their properties of material that they are used for making different objects. On the basis of their properties, they are used for making different objects. For example, if we want to hold a cup of tea, then we need a cup made up of clay, not of paper bag, because a paper bag can't hold a tea. If we want to make a glass window, then we need a transparent glass instead of an opaque glass, because we can't see through an opaque glass outside. So, there are many properties of material. On the basis of these properties, we can make the object. The properties are appearance, hardness, solubility, flow or sink, transparency and heaviness. On the basis of these property, we can make our objects. Thank you.